Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I am back with my June brown sugar box subscription. So I am going to dive in because I did cheat this month and take a look at some of the other boxes because I was on the road traveling for work when my box was delivered. So I was really curious to see what the box had. So I've had a spoiler alert, but still want to share with you the content. So this is the cover for this month's magazine. And the cover reads 5 ways to uplift your space and your spirit, lyrics to empower Black women, perfect summer playlist, 4 tips on reconnecting with yourself, 90s producers we loved, and this is a $102 box value. And there's a beautiful young lady on the front holding what may be a cup of tea, maybe a cup of coffee. Maybe she's going to dish us some tea in the magazine. So the first item is actually the Black Girl Magic Brew. It is 10 bags of lemon, and it appears to be black tea. Yeah, so it says gourmet blended in the USA for Izzy and Liv is what it says here on the back. I am all into my tea right now, so this will be absolutely perfect. So, tea. The next item looks like it is another pillow slip cover. There was one, I think, during the holiday box or maybe even for New Year's, the January box. This one says, lay your head on my pillow. So down in the comments, do you know who the producer of this song was? A group that actually sung it. And then the second one, oh, okay, so the second one is just a plain gold slip cover to actually match the embellishing from the first one. So I like those. The next item is an Izzy and Liv Can You Stand the Rain Ocean Breeze Scented Soy Candle. Let's see if I can get in here. Trying to get into the box so we can take a look at the candle. And it says on the side of the box, the glow up, can you stand the rain? So here is the candle. It has a little seal in the top. And I love the scent. It's very soft, not overpowering at all. And it does smell like an ocean breeze. So I really like that. And I have been on a candle kick lately because I shopped the Bath and Body Works sale and have to go film the second part of my haul from that, but I've been on a candle kick, so this will be perfect. And then there's a pack of old school matches that says it's lit. So I'm gonna stick these inside the candle so that I have those together. Although I'm not sure that I'll use these except maybe in an emergency. So I'll put those in there. The next item, which is the one that I think I'm most excited about because it's hot here in Georgia. The humidity is being disrespectful and I'm trying to get in more water. And there is a water bottle that is champagne or gold in color that says brown sugar baby, and on the front it has Izzy and Liv, culture, confidence, and soul. So it's a pop-up top, so it has a little lever here, and I've got to take the lock off. So take the lock off, and then it will pop up. The top will pop open, and it has that little dispenser. So that would be great for water. It would be great for tea. It'll be perfect for coffee, any kind of beverage, and it should keep everything hot or cold, respectively. And then the last thing for this month is a gorgeous mint green shirt. This color is not like anything else I have. I don't typically buy things this color, but it's really pretty, and I think it'll be great for the summer. And it kind of has this chill, relaxed vibe, very calming because of the color. And it says, relax, relate, release. And I'm sure we all remember that. That was Whitley on A Different World that said that. I think I have that right. If not, correct me down in the comments. So that is this month's shirt. So and this shirt feels really, really soft. And the background, let's see if you can see, there's a little bit of sparkle to the backdrop of the letters on the front of the shirt. So really, really pretty. So that is this month's box. Usually lately at least, there's been 1 or 2 items that I've said, hey, I'll re-gift it or I'll pass it on to someone else. Everything in this month's box is staying with me. So thank you so very much for watching. Until next month, take care.